The Dodge Challenger Demon 170 is the one Hemi to rule them all. But with 3,300 planned for production at a starting price just under $100,000, they aren't exactly within reach of everyone. For the Demon 170's heart will soon be available for purchase as a crate engine, and while it costs significantly less than the Challenger from which it originated, it will cost $27,695. Technically speaking, the engine known in crate form as the Hellephant C170 from direct connection generates 1,025 horsepower, just as it does in the Demon 170. Yes, it costs as much as an entire Mazda Miata. But at that price, you get a fully dressed engine crowned with a 3.0-liter supercharger to force-feed the 6.2-liter mill. If you want something a bit more fundamental and cheaper, the Hellephant C170 Long Block deletes the intake, supercharger, and other components at a price of $18,995. The Demon 170's engine isn't the only new offering from direct connection. Stepping down to only 807 horsepower is the Hellcat Red-Eye 6.2-liter Long Block. This is the familiar Challenger Red-Eye engine, also devoid of the intake, supercharger, and other bits, and it costs $12,995. There's also the Hellcat Hemi in 717 HP trim, also in long block format, for $9,495. Stepping outside the supercharged realm, direct connection offers 392 and 345 crate Hemi long blocks for $6,995 and $4,495. We know the Hemi V8 is on the way out, and aside from electric power, it looks like the twin-turbocharged Hurricane 3.0-liter inline-six will be a player in Dodge's performance book. A taste of that starts here with two long block versions of the six-pot, one rated for 420 horsepower called the Cat 1, and the other capable of 550 horsepower Cat 3. Pricing for the i6 starts at $6,495 and reaches $8,995 for the Dodge Direct Connection portfolio continues to expand since its relaunch in March 2022, said Dodge CEO Tim Kuniskis. Look for the Hellephant C170 and the other engines listed here to go on sale early in the first quarter of 2024.